Hello everyone, this is Mashuasto. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Care.in. So today we will see another lecture on sweep tool. And in previous session we have seen that sweep is a type of extrusion which follows a path, and the profile and the path should be created in different sketches, and they should uh, at a normal position to each other. So we will see another features of this sweep feature, and let's get started. So I will make this type of path. You can see here, I don't need to make it fully defined. So let's just complete the sketch, and I will make another sketch or this like on this right plane, which is normal to this point, or we can also make another plane which is normal to this point. I will discuss this on in our next lecture or in this lecture also. How to create a plane normal to any curve or any point. Okay, so right now I'm choosing this right plane to create our profile. So this is the point. So I will make another rectangle like this. Let make it like this. I don't need to fully define again. So you can see here, this is our uh, profile and this is our path. So we go for this sweep boss base, and we have already created a sketch. So I will choose the sketch profile, and so this is our sketch profile. So I will select this sketch profile sketch 2, and for path I will select this line, and you can see it is actually sweeping the structure, and it is looking like this, right? I think it is clear for you. We have already done this in our previous lecture. Let's just make this rectangle, let it like more larger, so it will look like this. Now our next concern is this orientation. So we will again go for this sweep one. And from here, you can see the orientation of this rectangle is straight on this point. It is straight, but as soon as it follows the path and this line, it is changing its orientation. It is making it at a angular position, right? And it is finishing on this orientation. So you can see the angle, the orientation. It is straight. It is in this backward direction. It is more in angle, like so. These are the orientation what is I'm talking about. Now you can go for this option feature, and you can see here profile orientation. It is showing this follow path. So this orientation is changing according to the path which we have created for this profile. So if we need that our path should not, our profile should not change orientation, just make sure you select this keep normal constant option selected. So you click on it. Now you can see this profile is actually at every cross section or at any edges, it is actually in a straight position, right? You can see here, and if we complete it, it will look like this. And if we choose this structure as a profile follow path, it will look like this. So I think it is clear for you. And so this is the sweep profile orientation tool. And let me delete this one, and I will go for this plane, how to create a plane on any point or any curve normal to any point or any path. So we go for this to create a new plane. We go for this reference and this plane option, and in this frame, you can see the first reference. So first reference, always select any line or any curve or any SP line you can see. So let's just select this first reference as a point, as a path, any path, any point on the path. And for the second reference, click any point. You can see the second reference is activated. So I will select this. And now you can see our path is not normal to this point. Our plane created new plane, this normal to this point, right? So let me complete it, and it will look like this. Now we can go for this sketch feature, and again we will draw another structure. Let's just say a rectangle here. You can see here, and let me make sure that we will do some another, we will revise some another tool in this topic also. So let's just complete the sketch like this, and we again go for this sweep feature, and we go for this sweep and sketch profile. I will select this sketch, it is already selected. And for the path I will select this. You can see it is making like this, and it is by default it is choosing this follow path orientation. So it is changing. If I make it keep normal constant, it will look like this. and you have to make sure that it is feasible for it to make it orientate like this. Okay, if it is not, so in case if it is intersecting anywhere at the intersection of this path, the sweep will fail. Okay, so let's just go for the follow path, and I will complete it like this. If I will, it will look like this. So our path is looking like this. Let me hide this plane. Now another thing is that you can see here this fillet option is making it look like this is another face, like, right? If we select on this faces, it is looking like it is not a single geometry. It is making it split into different faces. So there is another option in the sweep called merge tangent faces. Like if we fillet any edge of this feature, you can see this edge, and this edge. These three are tangent to each other, right? So when we click on this merge tangent faces, what will it will happen? It will make sure that the faces are all the tangent faces should be selected as a one entity. So I think you got my point. And if you have any query, please share your comments, and your I will try to answer all of them. And thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and keep sharing, keep supporting. And thank you very much, guys. Bye bye. Take care.